Now let's tell you what's happening in Tamil Nadu. Viewers, we know that Vijay is the chief minister of the state and he didn't have majority and had to depend on the allies of the DMK to actually form the government in Tamil Nadu. But now it's an interesting twist that's taking place. After multiple exits that we've seen from the AIADMK, speculations are rife and a lot of political talk around how Vijay, the chief minister, is looking at stitching up a standalone majority in the floor of the House. Remember, there have been multiple exits from the AIADMK. Another AIADMK MLA has also quit the party. Many of them have already jumped ship to the TVK. The former Transport Minister, Vijay Bhaskar, his exit being the sixth AIADMK MLA resignation since the Tamil Nadu polls. So, Vijay's party is accused of expanding the strength by attracting leaders from the opposition ranks. Now, this move has given fresh ammunition to the DMK, with Udayanidhi Stalin accusing Chief Minister Vijay-led TVK government of indulging in what he called washing machine politics. The BJP has attacked the TVK, alleging that Vijay is attempting to increase his numbers by horse trading, claiming that this entire exercise is aimed at reaching the majority mark. Now, let's tell you what the AIADMK is up to, because remember, the AIADMK is also looking at an existential crisis. There is a very clear crisis within the party and it is continuing to lose multiple MLAs. Fresh trouble continuing to brew. Senior leaders, including SP Velumani, Tangamani, as well as Nadam Vishwanathan, are reportedly unhappy with the new posts that have been assigned by Edappadi Palaniswamy. They say that these are powerless positions. And reports say that the disgruntled leaders have already decided not to accept the new responsibilities. They are likely to send a joint letter directly to the AIADMK General Secretary, Edappadi K. Palaniswamy, adding to the growing internal turmoil within the opposition.
தமிழ்நாடு அரசியலுக்கு ஆரோக்கியமானதல்ல. என்ன பின்னணியில் அவர்கள் இதை செய்கிறார்கள் என்பது தெரியாது. இது அதிமுகவுடைய உட்கட்சி விவகாரமாகவும் கடந்து செல்ல முடியவில்லை. மக்களால் தேர்ந்தெடுக்கப்பட்டவர்கள் திடீரென பதவி விலகும் சூழல் ஜனநாயகத்திற்கு உகந்ததல்ல.
This is complete horse, not only horse trading, this is table trading, and I think the TVK, particularly Chief Minister Mr. Vijay, wants to single out people and by making them resigning, he wants to touch the majority mark. So this is really very worst politics we have ever seen in Tamil Nadu in the last 50-60 years.
Yeah, horse trading. When somebody gives a huge amount, being an MLA is a waste. They are attached to a ruling party, they can otherwise gain. Now half the MLAs are not accepting his leadership, that he doesn't understand. That is why they had supported Vijay in the floor of the House.